Hey guys, here I am again, Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair. And this time we're demonstrating an 8-track radio from Germany. This comes from Matthias in Velbert. And the state is NRW. I did email the customer and ask him for a little bit more clarification on the address to make sure it gets to back to the right place. And Matthias has requested the modern internal conversion for greatly increased output power with the USB feature and my super cool master input-output box that you can use. This has your 4 preamp outputs, left, right, front, rear, an unpowered sub output, and then this is your aux input, all in one handy location. And so let's go ahead and turn it on and make sure everything works before we send her back. I've got it set to AM at the moment, to the one strong station I get in my area. Let's turn it on.
The Brian Kilmeade Show.
Okay, so while we're on AM, we're going to demonstrate the virtual balance and fader functions. As you might know, I never reuse the original front-rear fader because they have limited lifespan. So we use a tone control for the front-rear fading action, and I'm going to demonstrate that right now. Get our speakers in on the action here.
Simply Safe Home Security System. It was named the best
front-rear fader
of 2023.
Fader adjust.
Okay, so now the same knob is adjusting our front-rear speaker balance all the way front, all the way rear, front, rear. Okay, I'm going to center them.
Less than $1 a day, half the cost of traditional home security.
Fader set. Okay, left, right balance.
Smart alarm, wireless in
balance adjust.
Okay, so now all the way left, all the way right, left, right.
Technology exclusively with
center 'em.
Simply Safe. Try Simply Safe.
Balance set.
Okay, let's make sure the USB plays music stored on a stick.
Listeners can get a special.
Here's got my radio commercial right here.
System with a fast protect plan. So visit simplysafe.com.
Having fun, driving my classic ride. Got a Mustang, but it's a 69. But she ain't sounding so fine. Driving this car, I can't hear the guitar. And all my tapes run slow too. Radio's smoking, 8-track that's broken. What can I do? Send it to 8-track repair center. 8-track repair center. 8-track repair center.com.
Okay, pull it out, radio comes back. Now, I was able to play that song in its entirety because I wrote it and I own the copyright. How many times have you heard that from a YouTuber? I am the legal copyright holder of the song you just heard. Okay, let's go on over to FM, and I have all 5 presets set to stations in my area so we can get through this quickly.
Looking good, only thing.
Radio, we bring you the Horse Show Morning is currently higher by 5.
And Peyton Manning hosts.
So there's that. Okay, let's try the 8-track. Got some Neil Sedaka here.
Wednesday, 877.
Let's go steady It's a long
Alrighty, hit the eject button. Tape comes out, radio comes back, and it accidentally resets itself to the. So one thing I'll say here is you might want to set your leftmost button to your favorite station, because when you go to pull the tape out, when you go to eject the tape, it's gonna go to that station. So it's a good idea to pull that. It's a good idea to set your favorite station to the leftmost button, because you're going to be hitting that button pretty often. Every time you eject a tape, you're going to be hitting that button. So there we go. So that's it. Everything is working. She's ready to go back to the customer, and I'm ready to. I'm not sure what I'll do after I hit the post office with this. But anyway, I'm Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair. To reach me for service, please visit the website in the description below, and please download and print a work order before calling me with a bunch of questions, because that's what the work order and the website are for, to do your preliminary price shopping and all that stuff on my website. And once you've been on my website and you have a work order in your hand, I'm perfectly happy to talk to you, because Because of the workload, my popularity increases with each passing year. Needless to say, and it's to the point where I can no longer spend 15 minutes on the phone with each new customer answering the same questions over and over and over. So please respect my need for efficiency, because when your radio's in my shop, you're not going to want me answering the phone 50, 60 times during the course of your repair. So please observe that, and please just respect my need to be on the bench and off the phone as much as possible. I am perfectly happy to talk to you after you've done your preliminary homework. So thanks so much for watching, listening, and thank you, Mateus. I hope I'm pronouncing his name correctly, for your business all the way from Germany, and we'll see you guys next time.